Hello, welcome to techanswer.com. Today in this video we'll see how we can post a grid giant square photos on Instagram. So this is the split image. For a single image there will be grids. So how we can post them. So we received this question on TechAnswer. So if you have similar questions, you can open your browser, any browser, and browse through techanswer.com. You can click on ask a question here and you can post your question. So to do this, open your Play Store and search for something like uh, Griddy, and you'll find this app called Giant Square and Grid Maker for Instagram. So I already have this on my phone. What I'll do is I'll drop this link for this app in the description. There is a detailed answer and you can click on this link if you want to install this, and just open this app. See here, this is what you will see when you first open this app. You need to click on this grid. So this will open your phone gallery where you can pick one of your pics or photos. So for example, you can choose any dummy picture. For example, this one, there are 9 grids here. You need to adjust according to your picture. For example, I'll make it as 3 by 2. Okay, this is not yet up to my picture, so I'll go by 3 by 3, 3 by 4. Okay, this is the perfect match for this. So according to your picture you can choose the grids. Okay, for this picture it is 3 by 4, and once you're done with that, you need to click on the stick symbol. Here you will see the numbers on this picture. So I'll start with 1. Just tap on 1 and you will see to share it on Instagram. So click on feed, as we are posting this to our feed. So click on feed and click on this forward symbol, you can write any caption or hashtags or whatever it may be, but for now I'm just posting it. Again, go back to the grid. See here, tap on to feed, forward. Okay, done posting. Again, go back to the grid 3. Likewise, I'll do this 12 and get back to you. Okay, see here, I almost finished 11 and 12th is ready now. And if you observe, once the photo gets uploaded to the Instagram, it is showing like highlighted, means it came in white color, and this is yet to be done, so it is not yet highlighted. So tap on that feed. Yes, so I'll go to my profile. See here, this is how simple you can post a grid picture or a split picture or giant square picture on Instagram. So if you like this video tutorial, you can share this video. You can comment your other questions, or you can browse through techanswer.com and post your question there. Thanks for watching.